In this video I would like to show you 5 educational activities which helps children in their early development. If you like this video, please subscribe and let me know down in the comments what are your thoughts about this video. Now let's jump into it. This button and felt activity is not just great for little hands, it also builds hand-eye coordination, focus, and even practical life skills like buttoning clothes. Let me show you how it works. I used felt fabric because it's sturdy and easy to handle. I sewed buttons onto small squares and cut buttonholes into the fabric. Kids can practice buttoning the fabric pieces together, just like in real life when they dress themselves. Practicing fine motor skills helps strengthen the small muscles in the hands, which are needed for writing, cutting, and even tying shoelaces later on. This activity also improves hand-eye coordination, as kids line up the button with the hole. You can also try different button sizes for an extra challenge. Plus, following a sewing pattern helps with concentration and recognizing patterns, which are early math skills. To make this safe for younger children, I recommend using a yarn needle. It's much less sharp, but still works great for sewing buttons. Sewing buttons teaches practical life skills like fastening clothes independently. It's also a sensory experience. Different textures of fabric and buttons provide great tactile feedback. The next activity helps kids develop the ability to use both sides of the body in a synchronized way. It's more than just moving pom-poms. This exercise strengthens the connection between the two sides of the brain, helping with focus, motor skills, and even early writing development. It also helps improve hand dominance, so children can strengthen their preferred writing hand. Plus, using both hands together strengthens neural connections, which supports reading and cognitive skills. Let's strengthen our memory with this simple and fun pom-pom matching game. Here's how it works. I placed first 6 pom-poms under small cups, 3 pairs in total. The child gets to pick for a few seconds, then we mix them up and they have to find the pairs. If you want to increase the challenge, use 6 pairs instead of 3 to improve working memory. This game helps kids improve their memory, attention, and concentration, all of which are crucial for reading, problem solving, and learning new concepts. In this activity, I use straws and Play-Doh and I turn them into amazing geometric shapes. This activity isn't just about building structures. It helps kids develop early math skills, spatial awareness, and problem-solving abilities in a hands-on way. By connecting the straws with Play-Doh, they learn how shapes fit together in real life. This simple hands-on project builds spatial reasoning, which is crucial for math, science, and engineering later on. It also improves fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and logical thinking as kids figure out how to balance their structures. This activity strengthens early geometry skills, encourages creativity and engineering thinking, and also helps with understanding symmetry and balance. Now let's talk about feelings. Helping kids recognize and express emotions is just as important as teaching them numbers and letters. This simple DIY activity encourages children to explore how they feel and learn to talk about their emotions in a fun and interactive way. This hands-on approach makes it easier for them to identify and express emotions. It also encourages problem solving by asking. You can ask your child, "How are you feeling today?" and let them choose a face. You can also talk about what might cause different emotions. For example, what makes you feel happy? What can we do when we feel sad or frustrated? I reuse some cardboard and bottle caps to create different facial expressions. Happy, sad, angry, surprised, and more. Kids can swap out the faces to match how they are feeling that day. Teaching kids about emotions builds self-awareness, empathy, and emotional regulation.